Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the top 7 technology trends in 2023. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and every year brings new innovations and breakthroughs. 2023 promises to be a year of exciting developments. And we're going to explore some of the most significant trends that will shape our world in the coming years. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon before we begin the movie so that you won't miss it. Number 1. The rise of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been around for a while. But it's only now that we're beginning to see its true potential. In 2023, AI is set to become even more sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives. From chatbots and personal assistants to self-driving cars and smart homes, AI is changing the way we interact with technology. Number 2. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a term used to describe the interconnected network of everyday devices, from smartphones to household appliances. In 2023, IoT is set to become even more prevalent, with an estimated 41.6 billion connected devices worldwide. This will enable more automation, efficient monitoring and management of homes, cities, and industries. Number 3. Blockchain. Blockchain technology has been around for a while, but it's only in recent years that it has gained mainstream attention. In 2023, we can expect to see even more applications of blockchain, such as smart contracts, decentralized finance, and digital identity management. These developments have the potential to transform the way we do business and manage our personal data. Number 4. 5G networks. 5G networks are the next generation of wireless communication technology, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth than current 4G networks. In 2023, 5G will become more widespread, enabling new applications, such as remote surgeries, autonomous vehicles, and virtual and augmented reality experiences. Number 5. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is an emerging technology that promises to revolutionize the way we solve complex problems, such as drug discovery and climate modeling. In 2023, we can expect to see more developments in quantum computing, with companies like Google and IBM investing heavily in this area. Number 6. Edge computing. Edge computing is a distributed computing model that brings computing power closer to the data source. In 2023, we can expect to see more applications of edge computing, such as real-time analytics and predictive maintenance in industries like manufacturing and logistics. Number 7. Cybersecurity. As technology becomes more integrated into our lives, the risk of cyber threats increases. In 2023, we can expect to see more focus on cybersecurity, with companies and governments investing in better defenses against cyber attacks. Conclusion. That's all for today's discussion of the top 7 technology trends in 2023. As we've seen, these trends have the potential to transform our lives and change the way we interact with technology. We can expect to see more innovation and breakthroughs in the coming years, and it's an exciting time to be a part of the technology industry. If you like this video and want to learn more about new things, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and press the bell icon to receive notifications.